Hey everyone, welcome back to Made by Nale. Today I'll be showing you how I recreated the Getting Late gown from Tyla. So let's begin. So this was the gown beforehand. I'm just mimicking what I was doing on my TikTok. So what I did is I laid down the gown and figured out like where I wanted to cut it. And then I just went in and cut with my scissors. Then once I'd done that, I put on the gown just to check the length, and I wanted it slightly longer so that I could tie it. So once I'd figured out the length, I then used my feather boas to make sure that the length of the boas were able to cover the full gown.
Produced.
Then I sewed everything together using my sewing machine, and I also used a glue gun, and this is how it looked. This was for a photo shoot that I had with Mr. Agency, and yeah, this is the model, and I'll insert how I looked wearing it. Thanks for watching. Very quick video.
AK Mark.